Okay. Okay, so today's topic is computer network. Class 8. Class 8. The subject is computer. Chapter number 1, network. Or networking fundamental, you can say that. So first question number 1. What do you mean by network? What do you mean by network? So first question, what do you mean by network? What do you mean by network? So we know that very well. Network is a set of devices by which we can able to communicate from sender to receiver or source to destination. So what do you mean by network? Network is a set of devices. That means in a network there may be 2 or more than 2 computers are connected. We know that very well. So what do you mean by network? Network is a set of devices. Network is a set of devices. Suppose we are able to establish a network. Suppose we are able to establish a network. Clear? Suppose 4 computers are there. Those 4 computers or 4 devices are there. Those 4 devices, when connected with the help of wire, that means cables, or without wire, that means either radio wave, microwave, satellite, geosatellite. Clear? This is called network. So network is a set of devices. Network is a set of devices by which we can able to communicate. That means network is a set of devices or network is a group of devices. Network is a group of devices or network is a set of devices by which we can able to communicate. Communicate means we can able to send some data or information between sender to receiver or receiver to sender, vice versa. We know that very well. Clear? So what do you mean by network? Network is a set of devices by which we can able to send some data or information between sender to receiver or receiver to sender, between source to destination or destination to source. This is the actual definition of network. So network is a set of devices. Those devices may be computer, maybe printer, maybe plotter, maybe fax machine, anything else. Not only computers. Those devices are maybe printer, maybe plotter, maybe anything else. Not only computers. Is it clear, everyone? So what do you mean by network? Network is a set of devices by which we can able to communicate from sender to receiver or source to destination. That means by which we can able to send some data or information between sender to receiver or receiver to sender, between source to destination or destination to source. This is the actual definition of network. So network is a set of devices. Those devices may be computer, maybe printer, maybe plotter, maybe anything else, by which we can able to send some data or information, or by which we can able to communicate from sender to receiver or receiver to sender, from source to destination or destination to source. So this is called network. Clear? So first question is that what do you mean by network? Network is a set of devices, or you can say that network is a group of devices by which you can able to communicate. That means by which you can able to send some data or information between sender to receiver or receiver to sender, vice versa, or source to destination or destination to source. This is called network. Next, second one, what is? Second question is that what is node? Second question is what is node? Second one, the devices are connected to a network is called node. For example, suppose it is a network, it is a machine, this is also a machine, and this is also a machine. Three machines are there. One, namely 1, 2, and 3. 1 is connected to 3, 3 is connected to 2, 2 is connected to 1. This is a network. So this is a computer. So this device is called node. This device is called node. Clear? So what do you mean by node? The devices are connected to a network is called node. The devices are connected to a network are called node. So what do you mean by node? The devices. Suppose we want to establish, or we have to establish, or we already established a network with the help of 4 or 5 computers or 5 machines. Then those devices or those computers, those printers, those plotters, those fax machines are called node. So in a network, the devices are connected to a network. Those devices are called node. Clear? So what do you mean by node? The devices are connected to a network is called node. That means here is a simple network. 3 machines are there, 1, 2, and 3. So this is a node, node number 1. We can say that. This is also a node. This is also a node. Clear? This is called node. So the devices are connected to a network is called node. Clear? Next one. Question number 3. According to network architecture, the networks are, first one is peer-to-peer. That means we can say that P2P. Second one is client-server. So according to network architecture, the networks are 2 types. That means peer-to-peer, P2P, and second one is client-server. Clear? So now what do you mean by network architecture? Network architecture means the overall design of a network. Suppose we want to develop a house, or we want to build a house. So before building a house, we are able to call a house architecture or a house architect who can able to design the house. So this is called house architecture or house architect, anything else. So what do you mean by network architecture? If you want to establish, or if you want to build, if you want to develop a network, first of all you have to build a prototype, that means demo version, or you are able to build a design of those particular network. So this is called network architecture. So what do you mean by network architecture? If you want to build a network, before building those actual network, or before building the network, when you are able to build a demo version, or build a prototype, or build a design, this is called network architecture. So network architecture are 2 types, peer-to-peer and client-server. Next, first one, peer-to-peer. Question number 4. Peer-to-peer. That means P2P. When 2 or more than 2 computers or devices are connected to a network with same processing speed, same performance, this is called peer-to-peer or P2P. So what do you mean by peer-to-peer? When two or more than two computers or devices are connected to a network. When two or more than two computers are connected to a network with same processing speed, same performance, this is called peer-to-peer. Suppose we are able to build a network with 5 or 4 computers. Suppose I have 5 computers. So I am building a, suppose I have 5 computers, I am building a network with 5 computers. Network with 5 computers. So if we want to connect those computers, this is also a network. After connecting, if the machines or those 5 computers have same configuration, same processing speed, same power, same performance, then the network is called peer-to-peer. So if you build a network, suppose you can build a network with 5 or 6 computers. Those 6 computers have same processing speed, same performance, same power, same motherboard, same each and everything is same. So their performance will be same. So this is called, then those network is called peer-to-peer. So what do you mean by peer-to-peer? When when 2 or more than 2 computers are connected to a network with same processing speed, same performance, then this is called peer-to-peer network or P2P. Please everyone write down what do you mean by peer-to-peer. Please everyone, I am waiting. Please everyone write down in your copy. And then I am going to discuss the next topic, question number 5, that means client server. Is it clear to you everyone or not? Just leave a message in your chat section. Is it clear to you or not? What do you mean by network? What is node? What is network architecture? What is peer-to-peer? 4 questions are there. And what are the types of peer-to-peer? Is it clear to you? And this video is also available in YouTube. Clear? Don't worry about it. And also ePortal also. This video is when uploaded in YouTube, then this video is also available in your ePortal. Clear everyone? Okay. Okay. Okay, next one is client server. The question number 5 or point number 5, that means client server. Client server. What do you mean by client server network? So it is a network by which we can connect the clients in a server and server is controlled all the clients. It is called client server. So it is a network by which you can connect the clients in a server. So in client server, the clients are connected in a server machine, and server can control overall clients. This is called client server. So what do you mean by client server? It is a network by which you can connect the clients in a server, by which you can able to connect the clients in a server, and server is controlled all the clients, and server is controlled all the clients. This is called client server. So what do you mean by client server? Client server is also a network by which we can connect the clients in a server. So there is one machine. Suppose in your class I am the server and you are the clients. So I am able to control you. That means I am able to, if I am a server in this class, this is 8 that means I am the server of this class. You are all the clients. That means I have the authority to control you. That means server have the authority, or server can easily control all the users or all the clients. So this concept is called client server. Yes. Online class is client server because of, suppose we are the servers. That means you are the clients. So server can control overall clients. So what do you mean by client server? It is a network by which we can connect the clients in a server. So your clients, you are connected to the server, namely but one model school Skype group. This is the server, and server is control all the clients, and server can control to you, or server can control all the clients. This is called client server. Clear? So the example or picture of client server is that client server. Suppose this is a machine. This is also a machine. This is a machine. This is a machine. And this is a machine. This is, suppose, client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4, and this is server. So all the clients are connected to the server. This is the actual concept of client server. That means all the clients are connected to the server, and server can control all the clients. If client 1 wants to send some data or information to client 4, then first of all client 1 send to the server, and server can say, forward the particular data to client 4. This is the overall concept of client server. So in client server, the client are connected to the server, and server can control over all the clients or all the machines in a network. This is called client server. If in this example, if client 1 wants to send data to client 4, then first of all client 1 can send data to server, and then server should forward the data to client 4. So in this particular architecture, in this client server network, the main disadvantage is that when the server is failure, if the server is damaged, or if the server is failure, then total network will be damaged. Because of this network can be based on server. If server failure, if server is damaged, then total network will be damaged. Clear everyone? Is it clear to you or not? Tell me, is it clear to you? Everyone? Is it clear to you everyone? So today up to this, first question, what is network? Second one, what is node? Third one is what is network architecture? Fourth one, what are the types of network architecture? Fifth one, what is peer-to-peer? Example. What is client server? Example. Today up to this. In my next class, I will be proceed the next portion of your chapter number 1, that means network. Till then, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Till then, goodbye.